Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bart Simpson. First we're going to draw a circle, then we're drawing the nose, the other eye, now we're going to draw where the nose connects to the mouth, and then the chin. Now we're drawing the hair part. It's basically doing a bunch of triangles, but they're sort of connected. Then the ear, his back neck side. Don't forget the eye circle. And then connect the neck. And then draw a little part of the shirt. Okay, now we're going to be coloring it in. First, we're going to need a yellowish, okay, now we just color it in right around it. Add layers. Okay, now you just color it in. Color in the nose. Pretty simple, you just color it in. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can hit 20 or 30 subscribers. Now you color in the shirt. There we go guys, there's Bart from The Simpsons TV show. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.